the pleasure of hosting my little Wonkas here. I'm kidding, guys. We are having a picnic at Debengeni Falls. I'm with my son, Bukamuso, my friend Belsi, and her daughter Waruna. My friend is currently at the car getting some stuff, but we are going to have a good time. We literally just decided, you know what, we actually wanted to hike. We wanted to go for a hike, but we ended up just deciding, you know what, let's just have a picnic. We've got all the stuff here with us. And it's a nice vibe. The weather is good. It seems a little bit chilly. It feels a little bit chilly, but it's not so bad. So this, I think it should be fun. I think the weather should cooperate. So we're just gonna have a...
Don't listen to her, guys. It's not chilly. It's hot.
What if... Say hi to my people on my channel.
People! But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
So we're having a picnic with our kids.
Yep.
And she's trying to feed her daughter, but that's not going so well. She is Dora the Explorer all over the place. She wants to bath in the stream. Waru wants to go and bath in the water, in Debengeni Waterfalls. What do you guys have to say about that? Yes, guys, so this is quite nice. It's very chilled. The weather is doing its own thing, you know, Magoebaskloof, so typical. 1 minute it's cloudy, the next it's sunny, as you can see. But it's all good. We are really having a good time. The kids are exploring nature. You know, the kids are doing their thing. Yeah, so we are on the quest of just finding cool spots that we can hang out with our kids, because you know it's almost festive season. We want safe spots. We want areas that we don't have to worry about safety of our kids and our safety as well.